Okay, welcome back. Now, one of the things that you might have noticed is that although you've created those 3 pages, you can't find them anywhere on your store. Okay, so let me demonstrate. If I go to the online store and click on the little I so that we can open it up, I've got all the things that we were looking at before. I've got home and catalog, and if I scroll down the bottom here, I've got search, etc. Right? Nothing has changed. I still can't find those pages I just created. So in order to make that happen, what we now need to do is to start building out the navigation system. We need to start expanding on this home and catalog part of this site here so that we can start to include those pages amongst many other things that we're going to build as we continue with the course. So in order to do that, we need to go back to the admin system, go to the online store, and then click on navigation. So straight away, you can see that we have menus, okay, already included. We've got a footer menu and we've got a main menu. Now in the main menu, we have home and catalog, and in the footer menu, we have search. You can probably already see how this hangs together. But just to be clear, if I go back to the site, over here, up the top here, this will be the main menu, right? Home and catalog. And if I scroll right down to the bottom here, where we have search, this would be the footer menu. So what we want to do now is we want to add the Contact Us page up here in the main menu. So to do that, I'll go back to the navigation system. I'm going to click on Main Menu. Okay, so here are the current items, Home and Catalog, and then I can add in another menu item. So what I'm going to do at this point then is give it a name, so Contact Us. And then I have the option to associate it with a certain link. So now if I click into this part here, you can see all kinds of various options popping up. Now what we're interested in right now are pages, and more specifically, the Contact Us page. So you recognize these pages now, okay? These are the 4 pages that we've already created. So I'm going to click on Contact Us, click on Add, and then I'm going to save the menu. So you can now see that it's been added into our menu items. So if I go back to the store now and refresh this page, and just before I do that, keep your eye on this bit here. The Contact Us is going to get added in. Let's refresh the page. And there we go. Contact Us has now been added in. And if I click on Contact Us, it brings up my Contact Us page, which, as you remember, I didn't actually add anything to, but hopefully you've got yourself a nice Contact Us page by now. Okay, so it's taken us straight to the Contact Us page. So now I'm going to do the same thing for the other 3 pages, but I'm going to put them in the footer. Okay, so for the privacy policy, the terms of service, and the refund policy, I'll put those down the bottom. So to do that, I go back to my main menu. Let's come out of here. And now I want to go to the footer menu. So I can click on footer. I can add in a menu item. So I could call one the privacy policy. Click in the links here, go to pages, select the privacy policy, add it in. Okay, so there's the privacy policy now. Let's do another one. So let's do terms of, service. Okay, and then go down to pages again and take the terms of service, add that in. And then finally, the refund policy. So we put in a refund policy. And find that one. So here it is. Click on add, and then just simply save the whole menu. All right. Go back to the store. Let's come out of this whole thing, back to the home page. And then let's just refresh. Scroll down the bottom where we should see you waiting for us. There we go. The privacy policy, the terms of service, and the refund policy. So if I click on privacy policy, there it is. Okay. And that's it. So not only have we now created 3 more pages, but you've also learned how to build a menu within Shopify. And you can see, hopefully, how simple and easy that is to do. And of course, we're going to revisit the menu as we go through the course and start to build out more and more content on our site. But right now, that's the boring stuff done. Okay, so you've done all that. We've done the essential admin. So now we can start to get far more exciting with building out our online business. So absolutely massive congratulations to getting to this point, particularly if you've been following me along and creating these pages. And I shall see you in the next lecture.